Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk to you about a topic that is incredibly important for our health and well-being, nutrition and its potential role in cancer prevention. We often hear about the importance of a balanced diet. But did you know that certain foods have been research proven to help force cancer cells to self-destruct? That's right. By incorporating specific foods into our diets, we can potentially support our bodies in fighting cancer. The power of nutrition. Let's dive into 12 research-proven foods that can play a significant role in our fight against cancer. First on the list are berries. These vibrant fruits, like blueberries and strawberries, are packed with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two factors linked to cancer development. Next, we have cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and kale. These veggies contain powerful compounds that may help detoxify carcinogens and inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Another superstar is garlic. Known for its immune-boosting properties, garlic has been shown to have anti-cancer effects, particularly in cancers of the digestive tract. And let's not forget about fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, these fish can help reduce inflammation and lower cancer risk. Now, let's talk about turmeric. The active ingredient, curcumin, has been extensively studied for its ability to induce cancer cell death and inhibit tumor growth. Similarly, green tea is rich in polyphenol, particularly a compound called epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, which has been linked to a reduced risk of cancer. Moving on, we have tomatoes, which are high in lycopene. This powerful antioxidant may help protect against prostate cancer and other types. Then there are nuts, especially walnuts, known for their healthy fats and antioxidants that may help reduce cancer risk. Beans are another great addition to our diets. They are high in fiber and protein, which can help regulate blood sugar and may lower the risk of certain cancers. Don't overlook whole grains like brown rice and quinoa, which are rich in fiber and associated with a lower risk of colorectal cancer. Next, we have citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits. These fruits are not only delicious but also contain vitamin C and flavonoids that may help protect against cancer. Finally, let's not forget about dark leafy greens like spinach and Swiss chard. They are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health and may possess anti-cancer properties. A delicious way to get these foods now. You might be wondering how to incorporate these foods into your daily routine. One simple way is through a nutritious smoothie. Let me share a quick and easy recipe with you. You'll need 1 cup of spinach, half a cup of blueberries, half a banana, 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed for those omega-3s, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a teaspoon of turmeric. Simply combine all these ingredients in a blender, blend until smooth, and enjoy. Conclusion: incorporating these 12 research-proven foods into your diet can be a delicious and effective way to support your health and potentially combat cancer. Remember, every small change we make in our diets can lead to significant health benefits. Thank you for your attention. And let's make a commitment to nourish our bodies with these powerful foods.